Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The marinade must contain some sort of acid, lime juice or vinegar, for example, to help break down the connective tissue in the beef that can make it chewy. The acid also adds essential flavor, but too much can be overpowering and overdo the tenderizing effects, resulting in squishy, unpleasant fajita meat.
Take our lead.
There are two additional ways to tenderize skirt steak, chemical and mechanical. The chemical method involves marinating the skirt steak in some sort of acid, like lime juice or vinegar, for several hours or overnight. This helps break down some of the meat fibers. 18 February 2014.
Take our lead.
The best texture comes with just a few minutes of contact on the heated surface, to medium rare doneness. Skirt steak is thin and lean, so going past medium rare or medium doneness will yield an extremely dry and chewy steak. Cook it hot. Cook it fast with high heat, instead of low heat for slow cooking. 13 February 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cooking flank steak on the stove. Spray the pan with some cooking spray or add olive oil and cook on each side for about 4 minutes each. The optimal temperature is, again, a medium rare so your meat doesn't end up too chewy.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Why are my fajitas watery? If you do find your fajita mix is watery, it's easy to cook off any excess liquid. A frying pan with a large surface area should help a lot, as an overcrowded pan will boil more than fry and cook away the liquid more slowly. 2 November 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.